Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming two essentials: an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription and a reliable network. Sign in to the Xbox account on your mobile Xbox app now because the app brokers cloud sessions. Pair your Bluetooth controller to the phone, hold the pair button until it appears, then test input in the app. Once done, make sure your phone is on the same network if using local remote play, otherwise the cloud will handle streaming. This reduces latency for responsive controls. You open the Xbox app and navigate to the Cloud or Play tab to find streamable titles. This is the live session that replaces a console. Tap a game and wait for the cloud instance to spin up. This can take 10-30 seconds depending on load. While loading, close heavy background apps to free CPU and network resources. Once connected, calibrate controller dead zones and display settings if available. This improves accuracy and keeps input feeling natural versus laggy or floaty responses. You finish by optimizing stream settings. Lower resolution or bitrate when you see stutter, or move closer to the router and switch to 5G for mobile. If the stream drops, repair the controller quickly, restart the Xbox app, and reboot your router as a spot fix. These steps clear common network or Bluetooth glitches. If problems persist, verify Xbox Live Service and your Game Pass Ultimate subscription status. Without an active plan, the cloud session will not start, so fix that first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.